Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to print from AutoCAD. So we will print it to a PDF file. So let's come here and click on print and then click on plot, okay, and then click on printer or plotter and choose DWG to PDF, okay, and then choose paper size as A4, ISO A4, okay, and then make sure it's tick marked here, fit to paper, and then click here, center the plot, okay, and what to plot, click on window, okay, and then just select this window, and now you can check which shows best here. So we can see that the portrait is not best here, so we have chosen landscape, okay, and then you can change the color here. I am just going to choose monochromatic. You can change it to others and then click on OK. Just don't change anything here, okay, just click on OK. 1.pdf, okay, so that's our PDF right here. Thank you for watching this video.